This is the Cook and Eat Show, and this episode is called What's in My Fridge. This is where I put together snacks and meals from stuff around my kitchen. Sometimes there's a plan. Most times I'm just making it up as I go. Let's see what happens.
I spy with my little eye a beautiful canvas. Or a tortilla. I wanted a quick but filling lunch today, so what better than throwing together a wrap? Let's see what I'm working with today. I've got live lettuce, which is better than normal lettuce, cauliflower, because it's trending, croutons, and cilantro avocado dressing, which, for someone who doesn't even like cilantro or avocado, I love this dressing. And tofu for the protein. And of course, a tortilla, a very big one. I picked out pretty simple seasonings that would work for either the cauliflower or the tofu. I'm not always sure how I want to season things when I get started, and I kind of let the food talk to me, tell me what it wants. What do you want? All of these really work on either. As I mentioned before, I only ever squeeze out my tofu to get it dry enough for cooking. Now that I know what to do with tofu, because there was a time that I hated tofu, I didn't like the taste of it, and I honestly didn't know what I was doing with it. Now that I know what to do, I absolutely love cooking with it and trying out different things. So I wanted to try creating tofu steaks and using a mixture of the seasoning to dry rub the tofu steaks. This looks really good so far. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. There's cauliflower rice, there's cauliflower crust, there's cauliflower chips. Everyone is losing their minds on cauliflower, which I don't understand because it's super hard to cut. Look at this. And it honestly doesn't taste like anything. I actually love cauliflower. I love the fact that it doesn't taste like anything, because then whatever you want it to taste like is exactly what happens. You have so much freedom with this vegetable. It's also high in fiber, vitamins B and K, and it reduces the risk of cancer and heart disease. It's just so good for your health. And of course, if you eat it raw, you're getting more benefits, but I'm not gonna do that. So, what I've got is sesame oil and just a little bit of olive oil. I decided that I wasn't really going to season my cauliflower too much, and instead let the oils and the flavors of those oils season it for me and give it its own subtle flavor. I'm also going to be adding dressing, and the dressing itself is very flavorful, super delicious. Never mind the fact that I'm using a metal spatula here. Not supposed to be doing that with these pans, but you know. I love how nice and brown and crisp the tofu turned out. So, this is super quick. Honestly, cooking cauliflower is very quick, and cooking tofu is very quick. So now, the ultimate challenge of layering this wrap in a way that makes sense. I don't know if I was trying to put together a puzzle. I don't know. I took a while with that tofu. That's a lot of dressing. So I've been toying with the idea of adding more nuts into random meals where it doesn't always make sense, not something I'm used to doing. So I decided to go with sunflower seeds. And we're ready. So overall, it looks really great. I'm excited for the different textures. I'm just excited to eat. This was actually a lot more than I thought. I probably could have put a few less tofu pieces in here, but it is so good. It is so delicious. You guys should definitely give it a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep eating.